Welcome back, everybody. It's Big Al once again. I got number 230. It's a challenge lock, number 230 by Mr. Bill Bacardi. That's a heck of a lot of challenge locks that he's got out in the community, y'all. 230. I'm sure he's got a few more than that now. That's just incredible. Talk about a contribution to the lock sport community, huh? I mean, come on. And yeah, I gotta tell you, this is a wicked challenge lock because it's on the Schlage keyway here, and I normally love picking on Schlages. They're one of my favorite keyways to pick on, but I gotta tell you, man, this one is a freaking beast. There's the bidding on the key right there, by the way. They're your usual Bill Bacardi signature bidding, really, and it does work like butter, as you would expect. I did pick it a little while back, and but trying to get it on camera is a whole nother story. This is probably I want to say this is my third attempt trying to get it on camera, so hopefully this is the one. So let's see if we can't, I'm going to drop my little shotgun or toothpick in the bottom here, and see if we, actually I'm going to try the other one, the smaller one at first. Excuse me. And top of the keyway, and I'm going to go counterclockwise, and I'm going to start off with one of these Sparrows, very short hook, I guess it'd be called, from Sparrows. And I know from when I did pick it, I'm also going to have to use some kind of high hook to get in the back, so I may use either one of the SS Dev hooks or one of these Southord Slimline hooks. So let's see what we got here. That was nasty. It's 5. Come on. Felt like 3. One. Felt like 1. 1 or 2. Oh, here's 1. A little bit. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. Yep, okay. 2. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I might have already overset something. I hope not. I'll let it go a little bit. Four, 5. All right, let me try. Excuse me. Let me try getting the this hook back there and see if we can't get anything going here. Four. I don't know if that was good or not. Okay, I got that false set back a little bit. Counter rotation. Well, there was. Go back to this other pick again. Oh, felt like I had some counter up here. Yep, 2. If I could stay under it. Yep, there it goes. 1. think. Okay, got it back. Man. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let me try this southward hook. See if that'll help at all. On the back. It's a crunchy monkey, I'll tell you what. Trying to get something to talk to me here. I'm not feeling it. Two, 3. Huh. 5. Can't get it to set. Come on, baby. My goodness. All right, let me go back to this sparrows. Two, 3. 4. Man, it feels like there's chicken bones in there or something. Good golly. Nasty. Alright, let me try this SS Deb hook. I got a weird feeling that the my problem is all the way in the back. Well, there we go. Boom! There it is. Yes! Alright, I don't know what kind of time we're into. Let me see if I can touch the screen. Maybe it'll tell me. I don't know where we're at. Okay, we're going to try to keep this. I'm going for it. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. Let's get widened out. So I know that took a minute for sure. Alright. Set that down, get this out of the way. Oh my goodness. Let's see what Mr. Bacardi's got in this beast of a freaking lock. Alright, we're going with the red one. It's on top this time. Pinning tray from Bobby Keys. Alright, where we at? Good right there. We're good. I can come in a little bit. Alright, so we'll get that deal out of there. We're very much open, fair enough. I'm going to lock it back up since we got a key. And let's get this bad boy off the back. Man, I got the freaking shakes now. That was the, like I said, probably third attempt trying to get it on camera. So I will absolutely try and keep this. I'm hoping the time's not ridiculous. I keep forgetting to set a damn timer. I do like using a timer just to have a ballpark figure. Alright. This is... I'll try to get one in there anyways. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Pins are going to be on this side by me. Alright. Let's see here. 6 pins all occupied. Bada boom, bada bang. And looks like they all needed picking. Yep. Freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and flip that one around. It goes like that. Alright, let me get some eyes on so I can see as good as the camera. And let's take a peek at the core real quick. We've got threading in 1, 3, and 5, and undercut in 2, 4, and 6. Let's see if we can't get that on there. Where are we at? Yeah, buddy. Very, very nicely done, of course, by Mr. Bacardi. Man, excuse me. Get that shim out of there. What do we got? Front is marked. Yeah, I'm gonna mark it some more just for the heck of it, though. Alright, doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt. Tweezers and camera angle. Okay. Let's see what we got. Sucker was stuck. They serrated in 1. Little, looks like maybe steel spring. Oof. 2 is a nice, looks like one of those pellet shaped things. Like a cone shaped spool combobulation type thing. Oh yeah, nice sharp hit on that freaking thing. Badass. Well played. Well played, sir. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. And another one of those, let's see, hold it up there. Yeah, like a rounded spool. Little spring. Number 5. I guess we can try going from the other side. For 6. Yep, another very deep, nice spool. We'll get a close up on them in a second. A little steel spring. And then number 5 is a double serrated. Beautiful. Freaking beautiful. I'm so glad I finally got that caught on camera. That one goes there. Okay, and to the Bible we've got no mods to the Bible. Alrighty, badass. Badass. And put that up. It's got his Bill Bacardi number 230 on it. Alright. Badass. Badass. Okay. Alright, that was Bill Bacardi's number 230. Freaking fantastic, man. Alright, let's get a peek at some pins here. I think that's good on the camera. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Key pins. Double serrated key pin actually down here. Not sure. I guess that'll come into play. It'll give it a different feel. Standard in 2, serrated in 3 on the key pin. Standard in 4, serrated in 5, standard in 6. Drivers We've got a double serrated. Number 2 is like cone shaped, kind of like them pellet looking things. Cone shaped spool action. 3 is, I call that a spool. It's a pretty darn wide serration with a sharp end on it. And this is that rounded spool type thing I was talking about. It's rounded out. And then 4 double serrated, and 5 a nice deep spool. And then the springs we've got, looks like steel. It's not sticking. Oh, yeah, it is. Looks like steel, copper, copper, steel, steel, steel. That's what it looks like anyway. All right, that was freaking awesome. Bill Bacardi's number 230. Thank you so much, Bill. And I believe it was Bill that sent this to me, so thank you so much. And everybody, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. I will be doing my 200 subscriber giveaway very soon, probably the next week or two. I will be announcing what I'll be giving away and working all that out real soon. I wasn't expecting it to come this quick, so I was not prepared. So we'll figure it out, though. All right, Big Al, signing out.